Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you my plan for a new bed. This bed I've had for a while. My friend Nancy sold it to me at a yard sale, and it's not Oriental looking, but I am going to remove this canopy and I'm going to remove the entire bedding and I'm going to transform it with this beautiful fabric that my friend Esther gave me for Christmas. She gave me all these fabrics. Look at these. And I'm going to use them to make her a bed, a beautiful bed. Look at this fabric. It came in handy for this project. But you know what? Before my friend Esther gave me these fabrics, I wasn't thinking about transforming this bed. But now that I have these fabrics, and they go perfectly with a beautiful piece like this, I am going to transform it. Then this here, I believe it's black. It looks green, but it is black. So it's like an in-between. Look at that fabric. Beautiful. So the canopy is going to come off. Now the bed is wobbly, so I have to fix that. But this I think was the best bed for her. So I'm going to try to use the bottom part, but maybe, you know what? No. I think I'm going to get another piece of foam, a brand new piece of foam, and I'm going to dress it up with the new fabric. But it's going to be just like this, same size and everything, so that it can fit this bed frame. Look at this, beautiful. Then I have this other box here. This is just the box, but it's an Oriental themed box. It's kind of glossy, and it would be perfect to use in an Oriental creation. So I hope that you stay tuned. So there will be a new room for this beautiful piece using Esther's fabrics and Nancy's bed. So I hope that you stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching.